everyone and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a really long time. Well, I feel like it has anyway. I think it's been like 1 or 2 weeks. But today I thought I'd show you what my room looks like. So do a little room tour. It's currently October, so I thought I'd show you what my room looks like for the autumn, and not really much changes, to be honest. I just kind of make it look a little bit more cozy. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy, and if you'd like to see what my bedroom looks like, then please carry on. So I thought I'd show you the more exciting part. This is like the nice half of my bedroom, and then the other half is a little bit like kind of unfinished, I'd say, but I thought I'd start here, which is probably the most aesthetically pleasing part of my bedroom. But this is my desk. This is where like I edit my videos and like write my blog posts and basically everything creative I guess I do on my desk. Okay, so I have here, this is a little like battery operated light which was from Primark, I think. I currently don't have any batteries in it because they're like the really tiny ones. So that's why that's not on and it doesn't actually work. But my clock is from Denelm. I've had this since I redid my old bedroom. I had written a blog post on that about, what, like 4 years ago. But I love this pink clock. It really annoys Sam, but I mean, I like it, so I'm going to keep it. I then have my laptop. This one is the MacBook Air, I think. It's 13, is it 13 inch or is it 11? I'm not even too sure, to be honest. And the skin is actually from Coconut Lane, and I love this. I've had this on my laptop since I got it about 3 years ago. And it's the best thing I bought for my laptop because it means that it's not going to get scratched at all. It is from the range. I feel like it is from the range. That also currently doesn't work because it doesn't actually have a light bulb in, which is great. But again, it's rose gold. It looks really cute, and I just feel like it looks really nice on the desk, if you know what I mean. It kind of makes it look really cute. And then I've got this little pen pot. It's actually a plant pot, I think, but it's got all my pens and highlighters. These are my fave. They're pastel coloured and I literally use them throughout the whole of uni. I've then got this little starlight which should turn on. Will it? Oh, how cute. This was from New Look as well, I think. And I think it was a gift from my friend Becky, and it just looks really cute on my desk. And then I've just got my phone. My case is from Abbott Leon. My diary, which is from Ryman's. And then my iPad, which just stays there. Then I have my really cute flowers that I had when I was a bridesmaid for my sister. They're not real, they're like, is it like polystyrene? I'm not sure. No, they're not polystyrene, they're like foam. But they're in this little pot that I also got from a shop in Cornwall, which is where my sister got married, so I always keep those flowers there because I think they look really sweet. And then I have my HP sprocket, which I actually need to get some paper for. Sam got me that for my birthday, and it's just such a nice little thing to have because it means that you can print your photos out straight away. I also have this book which is called Wardrobe Wisdom, which is from Home Sense, and I just thought it'd look really sweet somewhere in my room. And I also have the $1 Million Blog, which I think Sam also bought as a birthday gift. So yeah, I really like this little section. I think that looks really cute like that. Maybe wondering where on earth this chunky knit blanket's from. I'm actually not too sure because it was a present from Sam's brother and his girlfriend Chrissy, so I'm actually not too sure where it's from, but you can get these everywhere now. I've seen that Primark are now doing them for like £30, which is really good. And then this pillow is literally just a random pillow with a random cream furry thing on it, so that's nice. Down here we've got like a little section when I pull out my chair where I keep quite a lot of my things. So in this first one I've got some more diaries and like notebooks, and then my business cards that I had made for my uni degree. My Beats pill and pens and pencils in these pots, like loads of different chargers and like electrical things in here, and then some fashion books and Zoella's books down there because I really like them. Cute photo of me and Sam, and also just this little cute little trinket. Also these really pretty curtains which are like sheer white, and then I do have lights that are actually meant for the garden but I think they're meant for the garden, they're like outdoor lights I think, but I put those on when it gets dark and it just makes the sheer curtains look really sweet. In fact I'll show you because you're probably going to want to know. So this is what my bedroom looks like with the lights on. You obviously can't really see. Will Milo stop barking? And then over here I have like a really big vase with these pretty lights, and I've got my bamboo bag from Frank and Doll, and then my Abbott Leon bag. Then I have another Abbott Leon box here that I need to put away somewhere, but this ottoman thing is where I keep all of my shoes. And this is from B&M. I think it was like £20, which is really good value considering ottomans can be like over £200, but it's really cool. It's kind of like glittery, and I like the fact that it's got the what do you call this, like, is it called like quilting? But it looks cute and I like it with my bags on top with these lights. Moving on to this section, this is my little bedside table. These flowers are from Home Sense, I think. My mum bought them for me. And then this little ornament thing here is actually from B&M. I think it was £4, and I just like it because it's probably meant for like a big candle, but I've currently got this little Yankee Candle one on the top. But I really like it. I just think that's really simple and nice. And then this coaster, I think this coaster was a present too. But this is from Oliver, is it? Yeah, Oliver Bonus. And it's like a proper marble one, which I really like. Where my bed is from. It was my mum's bed before. But these lights were from Primark. They're really pretty. They're like gold cut out, and they look really nice when like all the lights are off and it's really dark because all the light comes through the little holes. Okay, so my pillows, I think I'm gonna have to like recall, but this one is from B&M because I bought that one recently. This one's from the range. This one I have no idea where it's from, but you can literally get these like fluffy pillows everywhere. And then the pillow behind that is also from the range, this pink one. And I believe this really fluffy throw is from the range, but one thing I would say is when I first got it, literally it molted everywhere. Like, it's not that bad anymore because it's been washed a few times, but it was so bad, it just molted everywhere. And then this throw I think is also from the range. I've had it for ages, like everything I've had in my room I've had for a really long time. So if you're wondering why I'm unsure where things are from, it's because I've had them since I was about 13. Okay, this is my dressing table. So as you can see, this bit here is like a bit of a messy messy part of my room. But on my dressing table I have this, which is really sweet. Sam's mum gave this to me actually. It's one of the Roberts radios, which I love. I think it looks so cute in my room. I have all my perfumes. Some of them are empty because I apparently like to keep empty perfume bottles, but I think they look quite pretty. Here I have so the bottom drawers are the Muji drawers, and then the top drawers were from Homebase, I think. The bottom drawers are a lot better because they are bigger and you can fit a lot more in. But I keep my foundations in this one and like primers and stuff. And then just loads of bits and bobs in here, to be honest. And then again, just loads of random stuff. I don't really have much of an order. I've got my mascaras in here and then some lipsticks at the top there. I've got my makeup brushes in this pot. I think I got that pot from Home Sense. And then this little Molton Brown candle. There was once a little mini Molton Brown candle in there, but it all ran out, so I've just got a little Yankee candle in there. And then this little dish, which is so cute, it's a little shell. This was from B&M. So I have my ring light here that I keep there. I take it out when I film videos, but it's handy to have there because sometimes if it's dark in my room and I need to do my makeup, I can just flick that on and it makes it so much easier to see what I'm doing. If you're wondering where my stool's from, I have no idea where the stool's from. It's literally a pink stool with a cushion cover over the top to make it look like a fluffy stool. Okay, so I'll just come into like the other little section of my bedroom. This is a little bit annoying to film because the ceiling is slanted, but this is the bit of my bedroom that's a little bit messy. But I have a bucket with all my bikinis, my bag that I take with me when I need to like take my laptop places, some exercising equipment that I do not use because I don't exercise. This little light, god, where's that from? It's got a rose gold. I think that was from B&M, you know. And then I have like a little bowl of rose petals, which are from the roses that Sam got me for Valentine's Day? Or our anniversary, I think it was. I think they'd be more dead if they were from Valentine's Day. But yeah, that's cute. And then I have all my skincare products at the bottom in this copper basket. Can you tell that I enjoy a copper colour? I've then got my suitcase that I use to like take with me if we're going on like weekends away. And then down here I keep my heels. My favourites are these are from Primark. But they're just really handy to have, like they're the really nice size, and yeah, all my heels just sit there. I've got this frame. Now you're probably thinking, why the hell have you got that? My mum insisted that I had it like in my room over here, and I was like, Mum, I'm really sorry, but I can't. But this is what I had at my degree show at uni. It was like part of my branding and I just thought it looked kind of good down by my shoes and by my what do you call this thing? Oh god, clothes rail. This is basically what that little section looks like. And I keep my clothes rail behind here. And I just keep like some nicer clothes that I have on this clothes rail. So I've got this top that you may have seen on my Instagram about 20 million times. But yeah, I think it looks really cute with all, well, these are actually really summery clothes. I kind of need to change it now, but yeah, that's where that lives, and it's quite awkward to stand up in here, so yeah, I like it. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed my room tour. I didn't know whether to do it like with my voice over or just do it as like a vlog. I thought it would just be easier to do it like a vlog style video, so I hope that's all right. My room changes all the time. I'm always changing around my room, so I mean, do expect one in the near future, to be honest. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, please do, you know, subscribe if you want to see more. But yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!